Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis, I can't remember. Maybe I even did it yesterday on Wednesday. Honestly, I don't remember the last time I did it. But regardless, that is where these green line annotations are coming from. And there's certainly some updates here that need to be done after the gap down today. And very heavy volume again. First update is just based on a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, that level right here at right around $7 was an area of support, and it did a good job yesterday. It actually bounced from there, but this morning got the price to break down below it. So therefore, on any sort of bounce in the very near term, $7 will be that initial area of resistance to keep an eye on. So watch that level, and just in case this thing really snaps back to the upside, the next level of support to watch after that point would be up around 775. So 7 and 775, next couple areas of resistance. In the event, though, the bleeding is going to continue. The price is not quite there, but it's getting very near an interesting spot as far as the technical chart is concerned, down around 625. Why do I emphasize interesting? Well, maybe you already know where I'm headed with this. But if you look back here, you can see price was there, got a good solid bounce. Price was there, got an absolutely monster bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. Just because there's a track record of past history, where the price has bounced up above that or from that level, does not mean that it's guaranteed to bounce again. Now, would it be shocking if the price got to 625 to see a bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that a bounce is for sure going to happen, because there just simply is no such thing as a for sure in the market. But this is definitely a very interesting level. And this is not, I don't want to come across like this is a great discovery on my part. Anybody that understands charts, uses charts, is watching and wondering the same thing. And I bring that up because whenever a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price movements. So definitely 625 an area to keep an eye on going forward. And we'll see if the price can maybe even visit it tomorrow on Friday, but we'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.